Your attention please, your attention please. We are having a fire alarm condition in the building with all floors please evacuate the building using the stairs. With all floors please evacuate the building using the stairs.
Nicole's card that you should sign, Captain.
What's up?
Nicole's what-year card?
Oh, yeah.
You should grab my jacket.
Thank you.
Fire? No fire?
You're like, why doesn't it just say fire? Why? Fire on one car. So I don't think they get the fire. They don't know what it is.
Somebody's angry.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. They're over there now. In the old post office. Canada Post is the one that lost my package. They say they delivered it and nothing got delivered.
I need to check your
Because I'm not an idiot. I know they're next door. I'm on the other side. What mailbox?
Probably sitting in.
Why don't we have a mailbox?
Because if it's too big to get the mailbox, but if it's not, it's in the mailbox.
I'll have to get Shannon to check the mailbox.
How big is it?